Hello everyone, my name is Yang Yang. So the title for my project is called the Reversing Green Coho and Mount Auburn. So Mount Auburn is one neighborhood of uptown area in Cincinnati. It is considered to be the first suburb of Cincinnati. It is surrounded by a large diversity of the areas, including Cornwall, Clifton Heights, Cobb, Avondale, and downtown. So the biggest existing assets within the neighborhood are parks, green space, the Press Hospital, residential, housing stocks, and the workforce. One of the biggest strengths for this Mount Auburn is proximity to the UC and to the downtown area. So the site for this project is bounded by Auburn Avenue, Wellington Place, and Leroy Court and Inwood Parks. So the existing conditions for this site is empty, except one 3-story apartment along the Mount Auburn. So the current zoning for this site, actually most of PT land development. So this site has the very good locations. It is proximity to the UC and Crest Hospital. So as you can see, it has only one road from the western residential into this site. One of the most biggest challenges for this site is the topography. So after I reviewed the 2016 community meetings, it said we want to preserve the hillside character, and we don't want to build the student housing. We want to build condo housing, and they want to some of the residential, like the pet dogs, local food. So I want to turn this challenge into the opportunities. So my plan for this project is starting from the anchor point at the corner of the Auburn Avenue and the Wellington Parks. So people can get started from this anchor point and get down into the landlord court. So I want to make something like the sunken part, so people can enjoy and this sunken part, and that has some examples showing the steps with the open spaces and steps with the ramps. So going to the programs, I want to build the condo housing, mixed-use apartment, hotel, retail, office, and poor housing. So the most important things for this project is the green corridor. So start from the green space 5 into the green space 1. So as you can see in this map, it's at the north. So I plan to make So the most of the retail office and the hotel is along the main road. So I create the 40 units for the mixed use apartment and the 70 units for the condo housing. And 45 units for the hotel. So hotel can offer a place for all types of the users, including the residence office and the hospital visits, and family students' families come to visit their children. So I want to plan the pet shops along the Wellington places, since it is proximity to the Inwood Park, so people want to work with dogs and cats. So, yeah, in this area. So since most of the area of the Mount Auburn are residential, so I want to include 2 or 3 laundry. So along this mountain avenues, yeah.